Okay guys, hey, today I'm playing Tower of Hell. I mostly just play Tower of Hell, but what is going on? What the heck is going on? Can everyone move? This is kind of easy. Ooh. Uh, oh my goodness. I'm just gonna go to the pro one. Man, my sister always does this. As you guys can know, I don't know why I am recording outside. Why does it sound like PJ Masks kind of? Get your butt here! Ooh! Oh no. No! But this is kind of fun anyway. Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh no no! Ooh! Ooh! Bruh. And no, 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 no! I'm gonna miss it! I'm gonna miss it! Jump! 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 No! Finally! Thank you, whoever did that. This can be a little hard, but don't judge me. It's time to do shift. Why? Why? And besides, I'm just doing 3 rounds. Come on. You're too slow, try and keep up with me now. You're too slow, try and keep up with me now. Keep up, keep up, keep up, keep up. Oh, now they want... Is that girl gay? Oh, okay, whatever. I shouldn't judge. But if you're LGBTQ, you can go to hell. I'm just saying though. Like, if you're in the LGBTQ. Or you've already found a girl that was lesbian. Alright, I got this. I got this, I got that! I don't know if you guys can hear me or anything, but I'm so sad I can't play with my squad. Come on, come on. got this. I got this. Alright. I got this. Finally, someone put it to choose. I don't even know how to control the game. Should I play Minecraft? Nah, even though if I asked my brother for the Xbox, he wouldn't have said no. Come on. I didn't even make it to no levels yet. I'm only 0 level and look at all that. It looks so hard. But I'm kind of getting used to it. Okay. I know it's pretty loud out here and you guys can barely hear me or anything. I just wanted to say thank you for the 2 subscribers. But whoever didn't subscribe to me, ew. No. Now the fly made me go back to this. Woo. These insects here are so annoying. Literally. Have you guys heard of those one TikTokers who say yeah? Oh. I hate this. Talkie girl. This girl's gonna make me win. Talkies. Where are you, my talkies? Talkies. Whoa, talkies. Talkies, my boogie bird. Talkies. Lead the way. Wait, is that Drake? Oh. Do you guys still watch Chris Masha? Did you know she's a pedophile and she's a bad person? I'm just saying, I'm not trying to be mean, but her content is just for kids now. She used to be so good, but I just don't watch her no more. Oh, sorry. But she dated Zach, right? When he wasn't even 18 yet. Like, who does that? Woo! I shouldn't have seen that coming. Huh? Stop being mean. you subscribed? Yeah. Sorry. Bro, literally, who asked you? Don't be mean. Well, is he literally gonna tell me to shut up? He's the one who's trying to dress up like Zap. I mean, Drake. Wow. That's mean. Whoa, you guys need to stop being mean to each other. You guys seriously need to stop being mean to each other. Like the video if you like bacons. But she was also being mean. What the... I'm just gonna go finish the obbies. I should mind my business. But still, they were being mean. Well... No! What the heck? But that bacon also needs to stop being mean. I know she started it, but it can't. Yeah. No, let me finish this obby. Let me finish. This is my fault for doing it. Yes, it didn't stop. Ah! What? It paused. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Where's my jacket? I thought I put it on. No! I'm also worried for my sister. She went to school. She's not a teenager yet. But anyways, did you guys see her channel before? Yes or no? You better subscribe before I beat you up. Don't worry, I won't beat you up. All bacons are nice. I used to be a bacon, so I don't know what's wrong being a bacon. Finally. No! Oh, do you guys know what is funny? Cookie Sweet used to be a good YouTuber. Well, her content was for a kid, I think. I think her first video was an LOL thingy, whatever. But yeah, she became a VTuber. It was better when she played with dolls. So you wanna Definitely. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh. Oh. Okay. This is getting kind of hard. I mean, come on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.